Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced features. Here scroll a little bit more down and tap into the screenshots and screen recorder. Here you'll see the screen recorder settings, and just to change the sound settings, click here to the sound section. Now you can see that we have selected the media sounds, so this means that in screen recording you will use only the device sounds, the media sounds. We can switch it to the now sound if you want to mute your screen recording, or also we can switch it to the media sounds and microphone. This means that your screen recorder will with the media sounds, and also you can command something by using your microphone. So that's it. That's how to change the screen recorder sound settings on our Samsung Galaxy device. And also we got one more way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. Just open the notification panel, and somewhere here you will find the screen recorder icon. In my case it's here. Just hold for a while this icon, and by the same way you can see here we just launch successfully the screen recorder settings. So you should just select the way how you'll just use the launch the screen recorder sound settings. In my case the second way is more faster, so I always use only this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.